Every day, you run your business using dozens of different apps. You have one for email, one for team chat, one for your calendar, and another for customer records. You might use an AI assistant to speed up your work, asking it to draft a perfect welcome email for a new client. But after the AI writes the text, you still have to copy it. You open your email app and paste it in. Then you open your customer database to update their status and log into your payment software to manually create their first invoice. Because your apps refuse to talk to each other, you spend your day acting as a human bridge, dragging information from one window to the next. You become the bottleneck inside your own operation. MCP is a universal remote control for your AI. It clears the clutter and lets you trigger all of your apps with a single command. Automation reaches its full potential when your apps finally work together as a single coordinated team. Let's look at how this actually works when the plain English command enters the central hub. This diagram shows the pipeline. Data travels a straight pathway to complete milestones. Next, the assembly line. The system evaluates conditions, like checking if a customer exists, routing information correctly. Finally, the radial burst. The pathway splits, firing outward to execute multiple actions all at once. This routing happens instantly in the background. You don't have to build complex drag-and-drop logic boards or string together separate API keys. By organizing tasks into this three-level hierarchy, your AI graduates from simply answering questions into a hands-free engine that does the work for you. Let's see what this looks like when a brand new customer lead enters your ecosystem. Instead of opening 5 different tabs to start the onboarding process, you type a simple command: process the new lead. The pipeline instantly creates a new profile, connecting the text prompt directly to your customer database. Then, the radial burst kicks in. The CRM node flashes and fires 3 pathways outward, triggering your email marketing, team chat, and newsletter simultaneously. Manually switching tabs to complete those 4 actions takes about 15 minutes. Zero MCP executes them in 0.4 seconds. True time savings come from firing off tasks across every department at once, replacing the slow crawl of a manual checklist with instant parallel execution. The exact same process applies when that new lead officially signs a deal. This diagram traces the sales workflow. The pathway lights up starting at the database, where the status updates to 1, moves over to generate an invoice in your billing software, and finally creates a secure folder in your cloud storage. Now consider a totally different scenario. A customer reports a bug in a direct message on social media. This diagram maps the support workflow. A single pathway originates from the social media node and then splits simultaneously, logging a fresh support ticket and opening a new issue for your developers to fix. You trigger these diverse workflows through the exact same interface, using everyday language. When one orchestrator controls every single app, the walls between your sales, support, and billing departments disappear entirely. These complex routines are saved and shared using a universal configuration format called a .0n file. Think of this file as a portable recipe card. It works identically on any AI assistant, meaning you are never locked into a single platform. The orchestrator instantly connects over 1,300 different capabilities across nearly 60 everyday business services. Look at this visual of a complex, glowing web of intersecting lines. As we see them condense into a single, sleek shape, you no longer have to manually manage software. You just describe the outcome you want. It is time to stop building workflows. Tell your AI what to do and turn it on. When your apps finally work together automatically, you get your day back to focus on growing your business.